We kindly ask you to store the smallest piece of hand luggage underneath the seat in front of you. We do thank you for kind cooperation.
Hoofdstukken. Als u op de eerste rij zit of naast de noodutgang, dan moet u alle handbagage in de bagagebakken opbergen. Als u uw handbagage niet veilig kunt opbergen, dan verplaatsen we die naar het ruim en u krijgt de bagage terug op uw bestemming. Electronic devices that are part of a battery vehicle program must remain switched off during the entire flight. Do not charge these devices. Electronic devices can only be used without transmitting function. Put them in airplane mode if required. Laptops and large devices must be stowed during taxi, takeoff and landing. Have your electronic devices visible when charging and contact your cabin crew immediately should your device overheat or produce smoke. Do not move or adjust your seat if your device falls into an inaccessible area. You are not allowed to charge your power banks on board. You must store your hand luggage correctly. Small items must be placed under the seat in front of you, while large items must be stored in the overhead lockers. If you are sitting in the first row or next to an emergency exit, you must store all items in the overhead lockers. Leave all your hand luggage on board in case of evacuation. Thank you.
So again, once again, to accelerate on departure, we kindly ask you to store your backpacks and smaller items underneath the seat in front of you, so on your feet, so we can close the aircraft doors. We thank you.
Dear guests, welcome aboard this beautiful Airbus A320 to Brussels. I am Peter van der Velde, flew together with the Captain Tom Hendricks, who has the privilege of flying you to Brussels today. As well, in the back we have Michelle, Sylvie, Laura and Gilia. They are here for your comfort, but most importantly for your safety. We expect a flight time of 1 hour and 40 minutes. We can expect to push back any minute now. And when we start the descent towards Brussels, I will come back to you with the latest weather information and the actual time of arrival in Brussels. See you in the air. Thank you.
And the cabin crew doors in flight condition and cross-check.
Dan hebben die twee weer goed gedaan. Dat is amai. Wat?
Again, a very good evening, Brussels Airlines member of the Star Alliance Network partners and the crew. Welcome to board to Airbus A320 destination Brussels. Especially, we welcome back our Miles and Mon members. Our Captain Mr. Hendricks estimates a flight time 1 hour 40 minutes to reach Brussels. My name is Michiel, I'm your person. The entire team wishes you an excellent flight. Een hele goede avond. Brussels Airlines vliegt van het Star Alliance Network. Onze partners. En de hele bemanning heet u de hartelijk aan boord. Dat is Airbus A320 bestemming Brussel. In het bijzonder welkomen wij onze Maas en Moorleden. Onze gezagvoerder, de heer Hendricks, voorziet een vliegtijd 1 uur 40 minuten om Brussel te bereiken. Ik ben Michiel. Ik ben uw cabineverantwoordelijke op deze vlucht. De hele bemanning wenst u een fijne reis. Et bonjour, bonsoir, Brussels Airlines, membre du réseau Star Alliance, nos partenaires et l'équipage. Vous souhaite la bienvenue à bord de cette Airbus 320 destination Bruxelles. Nous souhaitons particulièrement la bienvenue à nos membres malheureux. Notre commandant, M. Hendricks, prévoit un temps de vol d'1 heure 40 minutes pour atteindre Bruxelles. Je m'appelle Michiel, je suis votre chef de cabine sur ce vol. Toute l'équipe vous souhaite un excellent voyage. Fully ready for departure, so if you are takeoff, please make sure your luggage is correctly stored. Remember to leave them on board in case of emergency evacuation. Make sure to put your seat upright, lower the armrests, fold away your table and open all window blinds. Fasten your seatbelt low and tight around your waist. Smoking is not allowed, that includes electronic cigarettes. Please observe the no smoking policy at all times. We also like to inform that consuming your own alcohol on board is not permitted. Have a look at the safety briefing card in the seat pocket in front of you, as it contains important information. We thank you. For a moment we are proceeding with our safety briefing. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact a member of our team. Zodanig maken wij vertrouwd met de veiligheidsvoorschriften. Al onze informatie wordt in het Engels gegeven. Als u vragen heeft, aarzel niet om het cabinepersoneel te contacteren. Nous avons pensé les consignes de sécurité. Toutes les informations de sécurité sont communiquées en anglais. Si vous avez des questions supplémentaires, veuillez consulter un membre de l'équipage. There are 8 emergency exits on board these aircraft, clearly marked with an exit sign. Take a moment to locate the emergency exits. You will find 2 exits at the front, or 4 overhead exits, and 2 exits at the rear. If you have to evacuate, follow the steps on the floor. Remember that the nearest emergency exit may be behind you rather than in front of you. Fasten and tighten your seatbelt low and tight around your waist, as demonstrated by your flight attendants. To unfasten, simply lift the metal flap. Your seatbelt should be fastened to other fastened seatbelt signs when needed and throughout the flight when you're seated. In case of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will lock down from the panel above you. If you're wearing a protective face mask, remove immediately. Pull the oxygen mask towards you to activate the oxygen supply. Position your foot windows and mount. Mount the belt around your head. Adjust and breathe normally. Secure your own mask before assisting children or all passengers. And there is a life vest holding a bunch under your seat. If you need to use a vest, remove it from the bag, place it over your head, tighten the strap around your waist, clip the strap into the center buckle in front, and pull it firmly. Inflate up in the cord, which wear them only when you're outside the aircraft. Blow into the tube, inflate more air inside your life vest. And finally, there is a safety briefing card in the seat pocket in front. Read it carefully, as it contains important information, especially if you're seated next to the emergency exits. In the unlikely event of first landing, adopt the brace position as shown on the safety briefing card. So please comply with all ordnance signs, pictograms, listen to and follow the instructions given by the crew. We thank you for listening and take your safety very seriously. Now relax and enjoy your flight. Again, the fastened seatbelt sign will remain on for a few moments, so please make sure seatbelt is securely fastened. Be careful afterwards when opening overhead locker arches may get fall out. Smoking is not allowed. Elevators are equipped with smoke detectors. Thank you.